Good morning students and welcome to our YouTube channel Gnan Manjari Modern School. So in this video, this is the revision video. Okay students, in that we will see all the chapters according to the paper pattern which is given to you. So I just request you to please take out this paper style which is given to you on the parent teacher meeting. So from that you have Monday the paper of maths. So here it is given here in the question 1, that is write the expanded notation and number names. Okay students, question number 1, that is do as directed, but in that there are sub questions. In question number 1, what is to be asked? See here, we will see here. I will just take one example on the board only. Okay students, so in question 1a, that is expanded notation, in that you can see in your textbook on the page number exercise 1.1. you can see that like question will be asked. Okay students, which questions can be asked? That type questions can be asked. See here, I am just writing the page number over here, page number 74, 75. In here there is an exercise over here. Write the expanded notation and the number names of the following numbers. According to that you have to expand this. Okay students, so in question 1a, from here also it can be asked and from examples also it can be asked. So I have given you the page number 74 and 75, 74 and this is 75. From that any two can be asked of expanded notation, that is question number 1a. And then going towards question number 1b, question number 1b. So what is question number 1b? Give the place value. Question number 1b, see, that is give the place value. Here in question number 1b, that is give the place value. So what can be asked in question number 2b? See here exercise 1.3 is given, which is on the page number 76, page number 76. See here in the exercise 1.3, it will be asked like this. Okay students, and moving towards next, that is question number 1c. That is question number 1c, that is arrange the number in ascending order. You have to arrange all the numbers in the ascending order. So what will be asked over there? So here you can see on the page number 76 only, there is here the ascending number. So you have to write that numbers in the ascending order. Okay students, that will be asked. And one thing students, I am just telling you that it will be asked like this. I am not telling you that these questions only be asked. So I can also tell this, that arrange the given numbers in descending order is there, then I will change the heading and ascending order. From that I will take one. Okay students, you have to just prepare which method is used. I am not telling that this only will come. I am not telling that this only will come. I am just telling that this type of questions are there in question number 1c, that is arrange in descending order. See here I am again writing the page number So here question 1c, it will be asked like page number 76 only, but the question can be changed. Okay students, question can be changed. Okay, now moving further, that is the question number 1d. Question number 1d, that is circle the composite numbers. So in that what you will do is, so here in the question number 1d, circle the composite number. So in that there are numbers will be given and you have to circle the composite number. We know that in the chapter numbers here, circle the composite number. So here in the page number prime numbers and composite number, which I have told you that what are prime numbers. Prime numbers that do not come in another table, they are the factors of their own only, they don't have any other factor unless one. And composite number, the prime which are prime number, the less which are remaining, they are the composite number. So here I have just cleared you the table. So for question 1d and question 1e, circle the prime number, you have to do the page number 94. You have to do like that. Okay students, you have to just circle out the prime numbers and composite number, but this like table will not give, any random numbers will be given. Okay students, then going towards question number 2a. Question number 2a, that is multiplications. So over here question number 2a, that is multiplication. So what kind of questions can be asked? It will be asked from the lesson number 2. So here you can see you have to multiplication all this here on the page number, that is on the page number 80. This type of the sums can be asked. I am not telling student, I am telling it again, I am not telling that from this only it will be asked. Okay, I am not telling that from this page number 80 it will be asked. Please listen carefully. I am telling that on the page number 80 there is exercise 2.2, like that the sum will be asked. I am not telling that it will be asked from page number 80 only. Okay students, please listen it carefully. Okay, then question number 2. That is division. So from division what can be asked students? So question number 2b, that is division, that is also from lesson number 2. Question number 2b, that is division. So where from it can be asked? So it can be asked from page number 81. It can be asked, this type of sum will be asked, okay, as it is on the page number 81. Okay students, here in the exercise 2.3, that like sums will be asked. I am not telling you, I am repeating you again, from this only it will be not there sums. I have just changed few of the values of it. Okay students, then moving further, choose the quickest method to multiply the following. So we have to choose the quickest method for multiplication. So it can be asked, question 2c, question 2c, that is, it can be also asked from the this examples. So I am writing on the page number 82 and 83. You can see that from these examples can be also asked, and I have some asked some external questions from it. Okay students, so which question 2c, you can see how to solve. The method is given on the 82 and 83 page number. Moving further, that is, take the right number in divisibility by 2, 3 or 4. Tick right, question 2d, that is, tick right the quickest tick right if the number is divisible by 2, 3 or 5. It is from lesson number 3. Okay students, it is from lesson number 3. So in this you have to just learn the rules of divisibility, then you will know all the answers of it. That is question number 2d. You have to learn page number 89, 90, 91. See here all the rules you have to learn. If you will know all the rules, then you can easily just take the question. And from exercise 3.1 I have not asked, I am also asked from these examples and some of the external. Okay students, now moving forward, question 3a, find HCF, which is on the page number 3a. You have to learn this from page number 101. Okay, from page number 101. I can ask from external also the HCF and LCM that you have to find by yourself. Okay, moving towards next, that is question number 3b, that is LCM. So how we will find the LCM, that is on the page number. Here I am just making a line so you can just get all the things. Okay, so now going towards question 3. Question 3b, that can be asked as page number 106, exercise 5.3, and I can also ask that from the examples also. Okay students, I can also ask from the examples, don't forget that. Then moving further, solve the following story sum. solve the following story terms. So it will be asked from see here the story solve the following is given. So you have to do that. See here I am writing over here only. So question 3C, that is on the page number 107. The story, solve the story sums. In question number 3 it is given. Okay students, like that it will be asked. Okay, moving further. In that is question number 4 now students, that is add the following, which is on the fractions, add the following. So it can be asked students okay. So question 4A, question 4A, you can see on the page number 115 and 116. Okay students, 115 and 116, that is question number 4A. Then comes question number 4B, that is subtraction. So question number 4B, so question number 4B, it can be asked from page number 117 and 118. Okay students, now question number 4C, multiply the following. So in that multiply the following, it can be asked from question 4C, question 4C, that is on the page number multiplication. You can see students, page number 119, 120, 121. Okay, from that it will be asked. You have to do that. And the question 4D, question 4D, that is shade the part given to compare. So it is on the page number question 4D, that is on the page number, you can see 114. Okay students, 114. Now see here in the question 4D, this like structures is given in your paper. Okay, in that what you have to do, if here 2 upon 8 is given, then you have to shade 2 this out of 8, and here it is given 4 by 8, then what you have to do, you have to shade 4 out of 8, then you have to see which one is greater, then you have to give the greater sign. Okay students, moving further, that is question number 5. Solve the following. So from where it can be asked? Question number 5. So question number 5, solve the following is given. So that you have to do according to the page number 1 to 3 and 1 to 4. Okay students, here it is given multiplication and here it is given divisions. So you have to do this both, from this only it will be asked. Okay students, page number 1 to 3 and 1 to 4. Okay students, now moving further, but now all these have finished. Okay students, so here you can see we are just revising it again. For question 1a, it can be asked as 74 and 75. Question 1b, I am telling I have just changed some of the values of the questions. So please do not just learn these page numbers only, because I have changed some of the values. Okay students, now you have to just learn the method which is given on the page number 74 and 75. Okay students, 74, 75. Then question 1b, that you have to do according to the page number 76, and question 1c, that is also you have to do according to the page number 76. On question 1d and e, that is according to the page number 94, and question 2a, page number 80, question 2b according to the page number 81, question 2c according to the page number 82 and 83, question 2d, that is according to the page number 89, 90, 91, question 3a according to the page number 101, question 3b according to the page number 106, and question 3c according to the page number 107, 4a page number 115 and 116, question 4b, that is page number 117 and 118, question 4c page number 119 and 120 and 121, and question 4d, that is page number 114, question 5, that is 123 and 124. Okay students, so that these pages the method is given, that only you have to learn. Or in from this, if you have any doubt, then tomorrow is Sunday, you can just tell me that sir, I have doubt over here in this sum, can you explain me? But you have to do message. I will not attend any of the calls. Okay students, I will try my best to just give you answer, but if I will be busy in some work, then I will just give reply late. So don't be just very fast. Okay students, we will meet in the next video of the when there is a paper of science. Okay students, before the paper of one day before the paper of science, we will meet again. Okay students, up till then stay safe, stay home. Okay, bye students.